Imagine being able to create jaw-dropping digital art in just seconds. No painting skills, no expensive software, just your imagination and a few words. That's the promise of ImagineArt, the AI-powered image generator that's taking the creative world by storm. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or simply someone who loves to experiment with new tech, ImagineArt offers a fresh way to bring your ideas to life faster and easier than ever before. So, what exactly is ImagineArt? Launched in November 2022 by Viro.ai, ImagineArt is an all-in-one AI creative suite that lets you generate digital images, videos, music, and voice content straight from a simple text prompt. Imagine typing "a mystical forest at sunrise" and seeing a stunning, high-resolution image appear before your eyes in seconds. The platform is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals, and is accessible via Android, iOS, and web, so you can create from wherever inspiration strikes. One of the standout benefits of ImagineArt is its sheer ease of use. The interface is intuitive and streamlined, meaning you don't need to wade through complex menus or technical jargon. Just enter your prompt, choose your preferred art style, and let the AI do the rest. And speaking of styles, ImagineArt boasts a diverse selection: fantasy, anime, hyperrealism, cyberpunk, and more. Whether you want whimsical illustrations or sleek futuristic designs, there's something for every creative vision. Compared to powerhouses like Midjourney or DALL, ImagineArt is refreshingly affordable. With subscription plans starting at just $8 per month for the standard plan, you get fast processing, access to all styles and models, and even a commercial license for your creations. For those who want early access to new features or enhanced capabilities, there are premium and professional plans available too. But even at the entry level, you're getting excellent value for your money. Let's dive into some demo prompts so you can see ImagineArt in action. First up, a simple fantasy prompt: a majestic dragon soaring above a crystal-clear lake at sunset. Within moments, ImagineArt generates a vibrant image, rich colors, dramatic lighting, and intricate details that capture the mythical essence of your description. You can tweak the style to make it more painterly, add background elements, or even expand the image for a broader scene. Next, let's try something a bit more complex: a detailed cyberpunk portrait. A young woman with neon blue hair, wearing a luminous visor, standing on a rain-soaked street with holographic billboards in the background. The AI springs into action, producing a high-resolution portrait that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The textures, the lighting effects, the urban atmosphere all come together seamlessly. If you want, you can edit or enhance the image further, using built-in tools for in-painting, background replacement, or image expansion. Now, what makes ImagineArt stand out in the crowded field of AI art generators? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, ImagineArt is fast. Real-time generation means you're not waiting minutes or even hours for your artwork. It's user-friendly, with a clean interface that makes it accessible whether you're a casual creator or a professional designer. Flexibility is another big win. You can generate images, short-form videos, background music, and even voice narrations, all from the same platform. The integrated creative suite means you don't have to juggle multiple apps or subscriptions. Everything you need is right here. But as with any tool, there are a few drawbacks to keep in mind. First, ImagineArt requires an active internet connection. There's no offline mode, so you need to be online to create and edit. Second, while ImagineArt's user base is growing rapidly, it's still smaller than the communities built around platforms like Midjourney. That might mean fewer shared resources, tips, or user-generated styles, though the official support channels and online help are improving as the platform evolves. Some users have also reported that image quality can occasionally be inconsistent, with the occasional artifact or less-than-perfect result. And finally, while the subscription cost is lower than many competitors, some features, like early access or Android exclusives, require a higher tier plan. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and see what ImagineArt can do, Be sure to click the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Signing up through our link helps support the channel and gives you instant access to all the core features, so you can start creating your own AI-powered masterpieces today. Before you go, I want to thank you for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay up to date on the latest AI tools, tech trends, and creative tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and hands-on demos coming your way. To recap, ImagineArt is a versatile and user-friendly platform for generating digital images, videos, music, and voice from simple text prompts. It's fast, flexible, and affordable, making it a great choice for anyone looking to experiment with AI art. Whether you're creating for fun, building a portfolio, or launching a new project. The wide range of styles and easy-to-use editing tools give you plenty of creative freedom, and the integrated suite means you can produce everything from fantasy landscapes to cyberpunk portraits, animated shorts, and even narrated voiceover content, all under one roof. However, remember to weigh the potential cons. You'll need to stay online to work, and while the community is growing, it's not as established as some other platforms. Output quality can vary, and some advanced features may require a higher-tier subscription. Still, for the price and the convenience, ImagineArt is hard to beat, especially if you're looking for a quick, streamlined way to bring your ideas to life. If you're curious to see what you can create, don't forget to check out the affiliate link below. It's your gateway to exploring ImagineArt's full creative potential, and it's a great way to support future content on this channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Drop a comment if you have any questions about ImagineArt, share your own experiences, or let us know what AI tools you'd like to see reviewed next. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews, tips, and tricks. Your next masterpiece is just a prompt away.